We here at Cranbourne's Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respect to their elders past, present and emerging.
We also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Ausland as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. I must say it's very, very dark out there today. Just one moment, please. Oh, that's much better. Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, firstly, I'd like to congratulate our students for the wonderful effort that you put into our cross-country run yesterday. Absolutely magnificent to see students putting in their very, very best effort. I would like to say a really big thank you for all the parents that came along. And once again, it's just wonderful again to invite parents into the school for these school activities. And I must say a really big thank you to our phys ed team for all the work that you put in setting up and organising the event. Next Friday, well, it's not only the last day of term, but it's an exciting day at school because we're having a fundraising free dress day. And all the money that we raise, we are directing to families in need in the flood-affected areas interstate. I know I'm going to be wearing my free dress and I can't wait to make a donation. Children and any parents out there watching today, I'm not sure if you're aware, but many of our staff have given up their time and will be staying back after school next week to complete a first aid course, a CPR course, and an anaphylaxis course. And I would just like to say a really big thank you to all staff for your commitment to maintaining currency with those courses. As you know, it just ensures that we can do our very best to keep our students safe, not only at school, but also when we're out on excursions and camps and swimming programs. Thank you to all the students, the incredible amount of students that use the buckets and tongs and wander around the school during their breaks. They give up their time to do some community work, making sure the school is looking great. And I must say, it's almost impossible to find one item of litter in our school. So a big thank you, everybody, and I really enjoy students who come into my office and share with me the good work that they have been doing. And you've probably seen the information around the school, but next term we will be having a colour explosion fun run, another fundraiser for the school, and again, I can't wait. I know it's going to be an absolutely exciting event. Well, thank you, everybody. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school.
Hello everyone, we are some of your captains and we'd like to show you a new development within our school. This is our new sustainability garden. Soon some students will be given the opportunity to plant and then harvest produce.
We're really excited to be able to offer students a new way of learning about sustainability and healthy eating. Keep your eyes peeled for changes in this space. We absolutely love the new changes to this garden.
Hi everyone, we are Helen, Excel, and Freya from the SRC.
On the Friday, the last day of Term 1, we'll be holding a fundraiser to help victims of the recent floods in New South Wales and Queensland. If you would like to contribute to the fundraiser, please wear a free dress on the last day of school and bring a gold coin donation.
Please remember to wear sun-smart clothes and closed-in footwear. Thank you!